Hey guys, today we're going to make German chocolate brownies. Yum! Everything about that sounds good to me, even though I'm not a big chocolate fan. I do like chocolate brownies. I'm weird with the chocolate. I know there's other people like that too. All right. So first off, we're going to start with butter.
Yeah, let's start with that.
Butter, 1 stick of butter. So half a cup, and melted and just warm. Not smoking hot, just warm. We've got butter. We have 3/4 cup of white sugar going in, and a half a cup of powdered sugar. Boom. So we're going to whisk all of that together. And you can use your own brownie mix. I'm making a homemade brownie mix. You can use a box brownie mix, whatever your little heart desires. You make it however you want. We'll get this all mixed up here. I've got some powdered sugar in there. Get out of there.
Can't have that.
We got to get that all beat up. All right. So now we're going to add in 2 eggs. So there's 1. Bloop. And 2. 1, 2. Sometimes I feel like I'm on Sesame Street when I do that. A 1. Ooh,
Buckle my shoe.
Count Dracula.
3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up the stick.
Because I'm sure you guys can count. All right, 2 tablespoons of butter.
That's not butter.
It's water. 2 tablespoons of water. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, or thereabouts, whatever you want to do. So,
There's a half.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. Get that all mixed up and not all over you, like I do.
Did you get a big enough bowl this time?
I did. I made sure this time. I got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I got a 9x9 pan here lined with parchment paper just on one end so I can just pull that out if I need to. My spray, we're going to spray that. All right, so now I have 1 and look. I know it's in a measuring cup, duh. I want to make sure, so. Hang on. Okay, that was quick. So it is 3/4 cup of flour. After I was looking on my notes, I'm like, it says 1 3/4. No, I put a check mark on it saying I already got that. So 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour going in, and 2/3 cup. I can't see, it's so dark in here, and I know it doesn't look like it's dark, but it is dark in here, so we don't have all that shadow, the glare. So 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder going in, and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to mix all of that together. Switch out for this here, so I can get that all around the edges. And then we're going to put in a half a cup of chocolate chips. Now use whatever kind you want, my dears. I'm using the miniature chocolate chip semi-sweet.
Because that's how you roll.
That's how we roll in this household. So we're going to mix this all up till it's good and mixed just by hand. Don't want to over mix it. Just till it's good and mixed up.
Mix it good.
So Billy's been singing a lot. He's getting into that real good. He's loving it. We got him a nice karaoke machine that we have here at home. I try. I'm not very good. Not very good. I'm not good at all. But I'm gonna spray my pan here. I think I'm good when I'm in the car or when I'm in the shower, but when I hear myself, ooh, doggies. I am not good. Anybody else like that?
Me.
No. You're good. Alright, so we're going to pour that into our 9x9 pan here.
That's some thick batter, isn't it?
Yep, brownie batter is thick. With 2 C's. And my oven is preheated 350 degrees. We're going to bake it for 18 to 20 minutes.
And then
we have to wait until it cools. And then we're going to make the German chocolate topping for it. Which is what I like. Like coconut. Yeah.
Are you toasting your coconut?
Absolutely. For you, I will.
I'm just asking. I don't.
The recipe doesn't say toast it.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I'll check it over. What do you guys think? Should it be toasted? Should it not?
Got to make it better, right? If it's toasted.
And toasted with the pecans.
Yeah. Toast them together.
Because you're going to have some pecans on the top, you know, for German chocolate. Alright guys, there we go. We're going to put this in a 350 degree oven, 18-20 minutes. We'll be back. Alright guys, I took my brownies out of the oven for 19 minutes is what it took in my oven. And they're cold, so now we're going to make the topping. So I've got 5 tablespoons of butter going in. Butter. I better get that off of there. Billy was like, you left butter on that. You can't leave butter. That's all I can get. 2/3 cup of Carnation evaporated milk. I don't guess it has to be that brand, but that's what I'm using.
Because that's what you got.
That's what I got. 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Going in. Packed brown sugar. A pinch of salt. And 2 egg yolks. So we're going to cook these until simmering. It should turn her up just a hair. We're going to whisk it here constantly until we start simmering. Guys, have you seen, I just saw one the other night. Instead of using this right here, they have pans that are electric and they boil and stuff. It's like electric skillet, except it's a saucepan. I think I gotta get me one of those. That way I don't have this loud sound on this. I haven't looked at them yet to see where I can get one. Have anybody have one of those?
I don't.
And like it? You're about to.
If you can buy one.
Mr. Smarty Pants. He mowed the grass today, so he's feeling big.
3 hours later.
Got 2.5 acres, so he got him a little tan going. It was 80 degrees today.
I like being tanned.
And I am not going to toast my coconut or the nuts. Although I will say that was a good idea. I'm just not going to do it because I don't want to. You guys want to? You do you. I'm just doing the basic recipe. Like I said, you can use a boxed brownie mix. That'd be perfectly fine. So this is getting hot. We're going to stir it. And then once it simmers, we're going to let it just simmer for 3 to 4 minutes and just stir it occasionally, okay? And then it'll start getting thick. It smells good. Brown sugar and butter. Alright guys, we're going to pause and we'll be right back when this starts bubbling and getting thick. Alright, here we go. See, it's gotten a little thick. We're going to pour in pecans. I have 2/3 cup of pecans and 1 2/3 cup of sweetened coconut and a teaspoon of vanilla. Or so, you know how we go. Whatever you want to do. And we're just going to stir that up. Get that coconut all coated in those nuts. And then we're just going to pour it on our brownies. That does look like German chocolate cake to me.
It does.
It's German chocolate brownies. All right. Spread this all out. We're going to let this cool. And then we'll be back for the taste test. All right, here comes the worst part, the taste test.
Oh, somebody's got to do it.
There's what they look like. And here's this one.
Well, it looks like German chocolate cake.
It does. It's so good. Billy's backing up. I don't know why. Because this would be slap your mama good. It's
Woo!
so good, guys. Oh,
Girl.
it is so good. It's still my birthday month, so I'm going to celebrate. I should get some ice cream. Not that I haven't been celebrating all month, right?
Birthday month, huh? Who gets a whole month?
Yeah, April kids. I only got 2 more days. I got to keep it celebrating. All right, guys, if you like this, I will leave the ingredients in the description box, which is right underneath the video where it says more. And give this a try. If you like German chocolate cake, you will love these German chocolate brownies. Like I said, use your own brownie mix or buy a box. So easy. And then just make that topping. Delicious. And you know, I don't go on and on about chocolate being delicious, but this is.
I think she likes it, guys.
I think I like it. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.